Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this episode we will be learning how to turn off hints in Royal Match. While playing Royal Match, you might have noticed if you don't make any move throughout the game, you will be able to see the hints that you can make a move this way as shown on the screen over here. So, if you want to turn that off, then first of all, launch open Royal Match game on your device. I'm just gonna quit this for now. And once you're inside this main home page, which looks like this one over here, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner. This will bring up the settings tab from where you'll need to toggle off the button right under hint. Make sure that it is leveled as off, and once you turn that off, you will then be able to switch off the hints that you may receive in games or helper suggestions during levels. Once you are done, you can then return to the main menu. Go ahead and check by starting a game over here, and don't do anything for some times, and you will notice that the game will now not hint you anymore since you've turned the hint off. Disabling hints in Royal Match lets you play more strategically and test your skills. You can always turn them on if you need help with tricky levels. So that's how you can easily turn off hints in Royal Match. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.